patrol dead ahead.
It's time to move. Give me a lift.
Do you have a shot on the lookout? Good night.
Enemy moving on your left flank. The target's still standing. Keep firing.
Okay, I think I see him. Your call. I hate those bloody things. Get ready to move on my signal. Stay right behind me. Go. Follow me and keep low. I'm moving to a new position.
So find a good sniping spot and go prone. Once you're in position, I'll call in the helicopter.
Keep your distance. No need to attract unnecessary attention.
More coming from the north.
Dead ahead. Take him out. I'm in position. Whew, that was a close one. Enemy patrol dead ahead. That was close. There's a patrol coming this way. Okay, I think I see him. Target acquired. I have a positive ID on Imran Zakhaev. Range 1,203.5 meters. That was close. Tango down. Nice shot.